For the time being, though, let's turn our attention to the commodity space. Manisha Gupta is standing by to run us through all the cues coming in from there. Morning, Manisha.
Keeping the flag high, really, Nigel, when it comes to commodities there. And within the energy space, we're looking at the coal prices absolutely outperforming the whole sector there. If you look at the prices itself, we are 21% up for the month of December and 140% up for 2022. Very strong gains is what we've seen in this year. We didn't start the year like that, though. In the month of Jan, it was nearly $157 per ton that we started with the coal prices. You've seen an all-time high in the month of September. And right now, the prices are not trading too far away from those kind of levels, still holding above $400 per ton there in the international markets. A few reasons on why you have seen gains come in for the prices. One, Europe has seen shortage of gas for power generation. That has kept the coal prices on the higher side for most part of this year. And then it also has been about stronger demand coming in from India. Also take a look at the mining stuff from Australia, where you have all the big names looking at lower production. So whether it was Glencore, BHP, Anglo American, you saw floods hit mining in many of these major miners, and that kept the prices higher. Also, when you look at the IEA report, that basically summarizes on how the year 2022 has been. So they say that the global coal demand has hit a record high in this current year. They also believe that the demand is expected to go forward, see a bit of a decline. 2025, by then, you will see demand continue to decline, and the prices also are expected to come off those kind of highs. But the next couple of years, the demand and prices are expected to be on the firmer note there. It also says that China, India, Indonesia have hit record production in this current year. And even with that, the kind of demand that we've seen is kept the prices higher. Russia is the third largest coal exporter, and we have seen those numbers continue to decline. Last year was 174 million tons, this year 160, and next year is expected to decline further as well. But that is not the case with Indonesia, which exports thermal coal. Last year was 432, this year 438, and it is expected to see a surge of 450 million tons in the next year as well. So Indonesia, as an exporter of thermal coal, will continue to surge from there. Price forecast for next year is quite important on your screens. We are trading at $400 a ton right now. So it's expected to average at around 280 is what Fitch thinks. Bank of America puts the number to 300, ANZ at 361. And the most bullish of forecast at an all-time high expectation comes from Trading Economics. They expect the coal prices to trade at $485 per ton at some point in time in 2023.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well, let's